Good afternoon to everyone. This is Wilhelmina Ford, based in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. Whenever you are, whether you are in Dubai, good morning. Whether you are in United Kingdom, early morning to you. Whether you are in Paris or in Europe or in Belgium or in Singapore or in Asia. May I greet good morning to everyone. I just finished having a conference with a potential buyer, and he searched on YouTube because YouTube is the best source of information. Now, my information is vital to your business. I am not an agency. I am a freelancer. A freelancer to you as being your business facilitator. And I'm the extension of the seller based in Africa, based in Mali, Gambia, Sierra Leone, and Conakry. Now you are searching for precious mineral that you couldn't find, so you search on YouTube channel and you went to my Facebook platform. You found this lady in front of you. Now, as you think that do you think that gold is cheap? You are searching to purchase precious mineral. So there is a value on precious mineral. So precious mineral means is a gold. Gold has many uses. Either you're gonna make into jewelry like this. This is 23 carats. I purchased this in Dubai Souk, huge Dubai jewelry store. They called Gold Souk in Dubai. Now you are buying raw material. This one is already finished product. I purchased this in the store because I want to buy my investment. This is my investment. This is finished product. Now you are buying unrefined, which is a raw material called gold bar doré. Now, I know you're searching for raw materials for your business. Either you are a jewelry manufacturer, either you are a refinery, or you are a gold trader, buy and sell, and then you resell it to your end customer. So that is not my business. My business is to assist you. My business is to take you to Africa in order to get the supply. How are you able to get the gold in Africa? It's very clear and simple. If you have watched my YouTube channel, I have different YouTube video and I put the date because the price, it varies day to day. Now, today we are in June 11. Here in Australia, the time is 4:36 in the afternoon. So, when you wake up, I know you are searching for supply. I know that. You are searching for gold and diamond. Now, in Africa, there is always a procedure. The seller will send you a contract when I validated you. Because you come to Wilhelmina in order for you to feel comfortable. Because my procedure is very clear and simple. And my face is the living proof that Africa is the main source of gold and diamond, bauxite, etc., etc. But I handle gold and diamond only. Now you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, where is the gold? It depends. It depends where you come from. It depends if you meet the criteria. It depends if I interviewed you, whether you meet the criteria or not. Then when you meet the criteria, that is the time I will call you, or we can have a live video call conference in order for me to know who you are. Because you already found me on my YouTube platform and also on my Facebook. So therefore, if you want to talk to Wilhelmina, you subscribe and click below. Read the full corporate offer. It's very clear and very extensive. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you are not a buyer. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you have a limited cash flow, because this is not a credit. This is FOB. This is not CIF, cost insurance and freight. This is not SBLC. This is not block fund or bank guarantee. The bank will guarantee you that you have money, but the seller doesn't know you. So why the bank will guarantee? Of course, let us have a contract. Now, going back to this pricing. At the moment, the price of gold is $3,339.57 per ounce. In dollars term is 107,381.58. This is refined. Okay? Called gold volume. That is refined. There is a hallmark that's called 99.99. Now that gold volume belong to the central bank and belong to the refinery. Now you can buy to the central bank with no discount. You can buy it to the refinery 107,381.58. Now if you're a small timer, this is not for you. I'm telling you bluntly. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, I've been searching for gold from my business. I want to make jewelry. I have my shop. I came from India. My office is in Dubai. I have a company registration in Dubai. That's fine. Well, Amina, I'm from Singapore. That's fine. So, when you bump into my video, because I have several video, okay, I put the date. So, you have to read the update of the price of the gold. Now, you're gonna say, well, Amina, I've been to Africa. I went to Sigiri. I'm amazed that the Sigiri seller, he wouldn't sell his gold very cheap. I said, how much? The Sigiri sellers price us 5% less on the world market. So I told this buyer, it's true. Gold is not really cheap. Gold is not banana. So he was telling me that he went to Sigiri, he didn't get the gold. Because it's too expensive. And I told him, you're buying expensive items, so therefore there is a price, there is a value. So he was been searching and he bumped into my YouTube channel. So I told him that, how did you found Wilhelmina? Oh, Wilhelmina, I searched on YouTube. I watched your several videos. I said, really? And did you learn out of that? So yes, Wilhelmina, you charge your extra service. I said, correct. I charge you to accompany you, but you're already on the ground, so I wouldn't be able to assist you. So when I found out, he's a broker. His buyer is paying his trip to travel to West Africa. So he couldn't find the gold because the buyer pay his expensive services. Yeah, the buyer paid him $50,000 for his trip. And I said to him, wow, the buyer paid you $50,000. And he said, yes. All right. So while I'm talking to this potential buyer, when I found out he is working for the buyer and the buyer put money into his bank account of $50,000 for his services to travel to outsource gold on behalf of the buyer. Today, you wouldn't roam around. Today, you don't need a chain of middlemen. Wilhelmina is here to assist you. Wilhelmina is here to tell the world that Africa is the main source of supply. Then you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, where is the gold? It depends on where you want to buy. I handle Mali, Gambia, Conakry, Guinea, Sierra Leone. So when you come for conference, live video call, it's recorded. My laptop is automatic when you call me, when you add me on WhatsApp or on Skype, automatic recorded. You don't need to be scared because this is very important. And then when our conversation is recorded, I will give you a copy in order for you to listen what transpired of our conversation. Okay? Now, when I record it, it is my file and you will be given a copy. And if you muck around, yes, I'm going to publish it. Yes. And some of the buyer, doesn't matter if I publish that on my YouTube during our conference. And why are you scared to publish it? So therefore, you are fly-by-night. Because a fly-by-night buyer, he's scared to be exposed. You don't need to be scared. I'm already exposed. Everywhere, my video, you can find my video. The reason why I put this on digital information, the seller requested me to handle them. Of course, I'm charging the seller of my work. Of course, my services is not for free. Yeah. And I also charge the buyer in order for him to be assisted on the ground. Now, my extra service is $20,000. Take it or leave it, non-refundable. Now, you're going to say, oh, too expensive. Well, you went to Sigiri. Where is Sigiri? Sigiri is in Conakry, Guinea. Yeah? He went to Sigiri. He didn't get the gold. And one Malaysian, he went to Mali, via Mali, and went to Sigiri. He didn't get the gold either. And then he called my seller to assist him. My seller refused him. Yeah, I know that the buyer from Malaysia, but I'm not going to mention his name so that they would not be embarrassed. You, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to be deceitful. You don't need to go behind my back. So now, it's true that the seller will sell you 5%. Yeah, it's true. You wouldn't get the gold cheap price. Yeah, there is a lot of offer. You went to Kampala, you went to Nairobi, you went to Tanzania. There's so many fly-by-night seller online. Yeah, and if that particular fly-by-night seller doesn't want to open his camera, to me, he is not a seller. My seller hired Wilhelmina. My seller requested Wilhelmina to handle them, and the seller authorized me. I have an agreement confidential between the seller and Wilhelmina. Yeah? And when you buy gold from us, you bump into Wilhelmina's video, I am going to interview you. Where did you get my number? If you come on WhatsApp, if you come on Skype, my question is very clear and simple. How did you get my number? Oh, on YouTube. And then, did you really read the full corporate offer thoroughly? Did you finish the video? No, madam, I didn't. I said, oh, you were being excited to meet me. So, that was the disaster. Now, you're going to say, madam, how much is the price? You're a businessman, you should know that. Nowadays, you can search online the gold price of the day. Now, the price of gold of the day today, June 11, is 3,399.57 per ounce. That is today. So the price of gold, it fluctuates. It decreases and increases every half an hour. So in dollars term, 107,381.59 per kilo. And I'm sure you wouldn't be able to afford it. That's the reason why you came to Wilhelmina. That's the reason why you search on YouTube, you found my video. You subscribe time to time, you will be notified every time I updated the price of the day. Click below, read the full corporate offer thoroughly. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you really read the extensive full corporate offer. I expand it. so that you will understand that this business, gold business, is not for everyone. This is not for a small gold trader. You want 1 kilo, then you want to bring it to your destination. It wouldn't work at all. You have to travel. You have to have a contract. Okay? You need to come to Wilhelmina. You need to ask. Wilhelmina would not teach you. I'm going to ask you, did you really read the full corporate offer? And if you're going to say, not really, you have to go back and read. Now, going back to the pricing, as I said to this gentleman that he failed to get the gold, and he said to me that he was being given 5% less out of the world market, and I told him, yes, it's true. So he didn't. So he was embarrassed to tell his buyer, because his buyer was paying him $50,000. Of course, the buyer is paying his agent to outsource in Africa. Of course, that is normal. So that agent, he charged the buyer. That is normal, that is work. Now today I went to my lawyer and I asked my lawyer to draft a letter, and he charged me as well. He charged me more than $1,000. So in this world, there is no free. Now going back to the discount, 5%, you make a profit of 5,369.07 out of 107,381.58. You make a profit. But if you buy small quantity, it's very tight. You make profit when you purchase 20 or 50 kilos. Now, I'm gonna get my calculator. Okay, assuming you're gonna get 20 kilos. Okay? The profit of less 5% out of 107.38158. 5,006. Okay. 5,369. Your profit per kilo, 07. Let's say you buy 20 kilos. Your profit is 107,381.4 on 20 kilos. Now, the price is 102 on unrefined. Now, on 102, 012.51, okay, times 20, that is $2 million. $2,040,000. So you don't have $2 million. So how are you able to get this precious mineral? And then you have been asking CIF cost, insurance, and freight. It wouldn't work. So therefore, you're a fly-by-night. You can only afford to pay the shipping cost and insurance. How about paying the gold? So it's already $2 million on 20 kilos. Let's say I'm going to bend my seller's policy. Assuming, don't bank on it. On 10 kilos, your profit is 5,369. Okay, just a moment. Your profit per kilo is 5,369.07. Assuming you cannot afford to get 20 kilos because it's 2 million. Assuming that I will ask my seller to consider 10 kilos. Okay? Your profit is 53,690 on the first transaction. Yeah? If you increase every week, your profit more than 53,690. Because if you increase 20 kilos, your profit on 20 kilos, right? On 5,369.07 times 20 kilos, your profit is 107,381.40 on 20 kilos. So you increase that every month times 12 months. Your profit is 1,288.57. Yeah. So you invest your money into the bank. You deposit the term deposit. It takes 1 year to get 3% or 3.5%. And then you buy gold. You invest in gold. You make handsome profit. Right. Now, you talk to Wilhelmina. Wilhelmina is charging you her extra service to render a services to you. Right. In order for you to assist on the ground. My charges for 20 kilos, once only I charge you my rent, my extra service to assist you on the ground of $20,000 non-refundable. Why? It covers my travel cost from Australia to Africa, my hotel accommodation, my miscellaneous expenses, to be with you, to assist you. But before you pay $20,000, I need to interview you first. I need to know your background, whether you are capable to purchase 20 kilos or 10 kilos. Okay? So we have to have a live video call conference. And if you didn't meet the criteria, immediately I'm going to tell you, I'm sorry, you wouldn't be able to meet the criteria. Before you come for conference, you need to read the full corporate offer on this video. Subscribe and click below. Time to time, you will be notified when I update the price of the day. Now, you're going to say, well, Amina, can you help me to get the gold? Yeah, I can. First of all, you need to come for conference live video call because I'm going to ask you your background. I'm going to ask you a copy of your business registration, a copy of your importation license, passport copy, and a copy of money laundering certificate coming from you, and the proof of fund. Now you're going to say, well, Amina, how I'm going to apply for money laundering certificate? You can apply that online. Because when you sign a contract between the buyer and the seller, and when you transfer the payment to Africa, your bank manager will say, why are you transferring money in Africa? Africa is a red flag of gold laundering. What do you mean that gold laundering? There's a lot of smuggler. The money that the buyer did purchase was dirty money. He cleaned his money in order to buy gold. That is very dangerous. So you need to have money laundering certificate. You apply that online. How did I know? I have several buyers that he did apply, especially in Dubai. When you transfer the payment from your bank account to African bank account, you are going to be asked, why are you transferring the money? Is your money clean? So you need to be prepared. I should not tell you this because I have the three buyers. He has money laundering certificate. He has. You have to pay for it. There is no free on this world. The seller would not tell you this. The seller would not tell you what I explained to you like this. So, the full corporate offer is very clear and simple to comprehend. I expand it just like an elementary. If you cannot comprehend, therefore you are not a buyer. If you cannot digest what I put on this video, maybe you didn't go to school. Because if you went to school, you need to be thorough. You need to read and digest it and comprehend it, whether you meet the criteria or not. Because this is $1 million that you are purchasing. If you don't have $1 million, how are you able to function your business? Now, going back to the questions of the seller, the buyer that I have interviewed last night and today. And he said, well, Amina, on your previous video, it says 8% tax included. Correct. I did say that. Why? Because I am charging you my $20,000 to travel with you. Okay? It covers my travel costs. In return, I renegotiate the price for you to my seller that I validated you, that you met the criteria. Can we give the buyer 8%? So the seller will believe, the seller will consider, because Wilhelmina, they validated you as the buyer, that you comply, that you have enough money. This is not for credit, eh? That you have $1 million standby in your bank account. We need to see your statement that you have really $1 million, right? I can renegotiate the price of 8%, maybe 10%. Why? You are paying my service. I render a service for you in order to accompany you. My $20,000, it covers my travel cost. In return, I am helping you to renegotiate the price. Now, on 8%, $98,000 per kilo. Right. And your profit per kilo is 8,590.52 per kilo. It depends on how many kilos you are going to purchase. Now, if Wilhelmina is really satisfied, because I need to gather your vital information, I might ask my seller to give you 10%, but don't bank on it. Your profit is $10,000 per kilo. $10,000 is 7,381. The price is $96,000. I might bend my seller's policy. You never know. I might bargain on your behalf $95,000 because you are paying my extra service of $20,000, non-refundable. Whether success or not, that is the reason why you need to come to Wilhelmina for interview, because my seller is a minor. I have all the seller's credential. Now, there was an instant that the seller changed his mind. Yes, correct. When you place an order, we were being we've been considerate to the buyer, and the buyer delayed for 8 months. So today I asked the seller that, okay, we give the buyer 14 days. When we fix the price for 14 days, not for 6 months, because there was a customer, 6 months, we give him $60,000, and when the price goes up, and then we arrive, the buyer didn't meet the price, the criteria. So there was a little bit of issue. So in business, just like when you buy a property, you search, you bargain, you compare the prices. This is gold. This is not easy. No, it's not easy. Even myself, I have a difficulty dealing with you, Mr. Buyer, because you're a bargainer, especially you guys. I have so many buyers that I rejected, and they don't like me. Well, you don't like Wilhelmina because I don't own the gold. I don't. Gold is in Africa. Now, when you meet the criteria, immediately I will send it to the office, and you will receive the seller's company profile, the seller's banking details, because I have to put that on the contract. I have to fill in the contract for the seller to review, okay? And the correspondence bank of the seller is New York, and his correspondence bank is in London. So you will receive all documentation. You will not receive the documentation until Wilhelmina satisfied who you are. And when you come for conference on WhatsApp or on Skype, do not call me, do not say hi, hello. You already saw Wilhelmina that my name is Wilhelmina Ford. I'm Mrs. Ford. This is my virtual office. The gold is not with me. I only accompany you. I am going to assist you in order to get the precious mineral. You're gonna say, well, Amina, how? Well, you have to come for conference first. I need to talk to you. I need to interview you. And then I will ask a lot of questions. And if you meet the criteria, then that's the time we exchange information. Now, you must remember, when I take you to Africa, do not go behind my back. Okay? Don't intimidate me. Don't betray Wilhelmina. Because I'm going to blog you. I'm going to publish your information. So don't do that. You coordinate with me. My services is peanuts for you. But on return, you make a profit a lot. What is $20,000? It's peanuts for you if you are really a company. Now, next year, I'm going to charge $25,000. Why? When the gold increases, there is a prediction that the gold next year will turn to $5,000. Now, on $5,000 per ounce, okay, 5,000 per ounce times 32.15, it could be 160. Yeah? 167.50. I don't know if you can afford it. I'm giving you a warning. Previous year, I think 3 to 4 years ago, I did inform the world that there is a tendency that the price of gold goes up. Why? This is commodity you're buying. This is the world asset. Do you understand asset? There is a value. And my services also, there is a value. The services is very cheap because of you. I feel sorry for you. I will guide you. I will come with you and I will take you to the head office. Now you're going to say, well, Amina, if you take me to the head office, well, you have to have a contract first. And then I will connect you a video call with the seller and the buyer. After I gather your information, I will create a group chat video call after I receive your profile and background. So now it's about time for me to connect the seller and the buyer if you have few questions. Because the seller saw your credential, then we will send you the contract. We don't send a blank contract. We don't. I am going to gather first your background, your credential. Now, when you watch this video, you need to pay attention because if you don't read properly, I'm going to reject you because I need a buyer to send me a letter of interest to purchase coming from the buyer, stating what quantity, stating how many kilos, what carat are you looking for, what purity are you looking for, yeah, where the destination, either in Australia, Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, China. You need to emphasize that. When you send me letter of interest to purchase by email, here on this video, my contact number and my email is on this video below. You click below, subscribe time to time. I am updating the price. Today, I update the price. Last week, the price was 1,111 per kilo. That was refined. You're not buying refined. You can buy refined in the central bank. You can buy refined in Dubai refinery. Now you're gonna ask, well, Amina, what carats? The carat is 22 plus equivalent to 23. It depends on every bar. So the gold has to be tasted first in order for you to get the result, carats and the purity, because every bar have a different carats and the purity. Now, if you want to buy gold in Sierra Leone, the seller that I have, he delivered gold in Dubai 200 kilos. Perfect. He doesn't have any issue because he is real. In Sierra Leone, there's a lot of problem. There's a lot because the seller will say, okay, here's my gold, pay taxes. You don't need to pay taxes. because you have not paid the gold. Gold is taxable. Yes, there's a tax. So that is the reason why you need to talk to Wilhelmina, because I am going to help you. Okay? I am going to ask my seller to give you a leeway. But when you pay my services, extra service, I render extra service for you, is non-refundable. Take it or leave it. Okay? And if you muck around, I will publish you. Look at this document that I have. Yeah? When you meet the criteria, I will send you the invoice that my services is $20,000 non-refundable. You don't need to pay right and there, because you have not qualified. You have not confirmed. So you must be qualified. So while you're talking to Wilhelmina, you gain knowledge. I went to my lawyer today. They charged me. I haven't even met him, but he is my old lawyer. Call him. He gave me the price. Yeah. Because I have to send the buyer a letter from my solicitor, because this buyer, he harassed me. So do not harass me, because I have a very big lawyer. Very. I'm not scared with you. I'm not. So do not ask me that, Wilhelmina, I want to refund the $20,000. No. When I send you the invoice, it's non-refundable. The $20,000, it covers my airline ticket, my hotel accommodation, and my miscellaneous expenses. That is peanuts. If you can afford to spend 1 million, 2 million, that is peanuts. But if you don't have 1 million, don't come to Wilhelmina, because the seller has changed. We went to the seller's office. He also changed. So he based on the price of the day. So that is why I said to my seller, okay, let's give the buyer 14 days to sort out his finances. Not 6 months. I have the buyer that I was talking to him November, December, January, February, March, April, 6 months. And we were giving him a very good deal. And he harassed me, he intimidated me. But I'm not scared with any one of you. I'm not. Let's meet in court. Yeah. So do not bluff me. Do not intimidate me. Do not harass Wilhelmina. Because this woman is not scared. Yeah. So that's the reason why I inform the world. If you cannot afford, do not talk to Wilhelmina, because you will gonna be charged. And I'm not going to teach you. Just read it. If you find this video, you're lucky. You gain knowledge. Because the seller would not explain to you like this. No, the seller wouldn't. I'm the one who gathered. When the seller hired me, I'm the one who gathered information. Now in Sierra Leone, there's a lot of problem. So this seller that I have, he delivered gold in Dubai. He has no problem. He shipped it. And I saw the invoice from Mineral Agency. I have the copy. And there is a value. The government valued the gold. So if the seller offer you cheap price, at the end of the day, you are going to encounter disaster. That is the reason why I always say to the seller, okay, how much is the tax? The tax in Gambia is 4%. The tax in Mali, 7%. The government sales tax in Conakry, 6%. The government sales tax in Sierra Leone, 6%. But the taxes can be discussed because of the price. The seller can reduce in order for you can afford. But my services is not a bargain. You're buying $1 million, you can afford it. And if you cannot afford, you can travel. You don't need to pay $20,000. You can travel, and then the contract will be sent to you. And then you meet the seller. And then if there is a problem, do not call Wilhelmina. Oh, Wilhelmina, your seller, his phone is not reachable. Well, I told you that. Even if I was in the ground, some seller as well, very hard to deal with. And also the buyer. Now, if you are going to buy gold in Conakry, Guinea, because Dubai and Conakry is one stop, you plan properly. You talk to the Sky Cargo. The office of Sky Cargo in Conakry is in the airport. There is an office in Dubai, their head office. You ask how much they charge. I have a copy, okay? But I'm not going to feed you. You know, when I talk to my lawyer, the lawyer charged me right on there. Yeah. So now, I change. I'm not going to feed you. You watch this video, you click below, you subscribe, read the full corporate offer thoroughly. Time to time, I update the price of the day. Now, I'm going to put the price of the day June 11 so that when you bump into my video, there is a date. So find the current video, which is today. This is live. My explanation is very clear and simple. If you went to school, you will comprehend. If you didn't, if you just brokering online, this is not for you. I'm telling you. Once again, the price of gold is 107,381.58. This is refined. You are buying Doribar. So if you are dealing with so many mandate, I'm sorry guys, I had enough. I don't deal chain of mandate. I call them joker broker. This is not a joke business. That is why I put this on a social media in order for the buyer to understand that this is precious mineral. If you understand what is the meaning of precious mineral, there is a value. Okay? Now, I hope you understand that I am not an agency. You found my YouTube channel, I market Africa. There is gold in Africa. Africa is 98% raw materials coming from Africa. Dubai has no gold. Dubai is a desert. Where the gold coming from? Gold soak. The raw materials coming from Africa. Then they refine to make into jewelry. This is now the finished product. You're not buying finished product. You're buying raw material, which is Doribar, which is unrefined. You got me? Now, thank you very much. Please don't go behind my back. This is the contract that I have, that this buyer that's really amazing. But I'm not scared with that buyer. I'm not. I have my own, the best lawyer in town. So don't bluff me, don't intimidate me, do not harass me, because one day you will receive a letter from my lawyer. So be nice to me. I'm willing here to help you. As I've said, when I invoice you with my services, I render extra service, $20,000 non-refundable. If you cannot afford $20,000, you can travel. I will help you to assist you, but if there is a problem, I'm not helping you because I'm too far. It's better to be with Wilhelmina. It's better because Wilhelmina is very tough. I scolded the seller. I have to fight on your behalf. But my services, as I've said to you many times, the $20,000 is non-refundable. You mean to say when I purchased the ticket and if the transaction failed, the airline would not refund my ticket, the money? The hotel would not refund my accommodation. So think about it. Do not be bullshitting, hey? Because I'm not a bullshit person. Do not. Be firm. Understand. If you have no $1 million, don't bother. Keep your money. If someone offer you cheap price, go for it. You're waiting for disaster. Yeah? I'm telling you. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good afternoon. When you wake up, you will find this video today, June 11.